Hi guys, welcome to this amazing course of Python for beginners. Entirely for beginners, there is going to be this course. So first of all, who am I? My name is Pranav Patil. I have been into this field of coding or programming since last almost 5 over years, and I have been into coding. When I entered into this stuff, firstly I learned about the HTML, CSS and JavaScript, which is the front end of the website, and after that I just got curious about the programming field and I learned about C language, and after that I've learned that Python and such. That the thing is that so far, so this is the thing that I have learned so far: HTML, CSS, and that is all, and C language as Python, as well as the SQL and many other programming languages out there. But for now, in this very course, we will be learning about the Python programming language for completely beginners. Now, it really doesn't matter if you are coming from any background out there. If you have zero knowledge about programming, I will take you guys from zero to a level where you can scale up yourself at advanced level. So this is the reason why you should take the course. If you guys don't have any idea about programming language, if you guys don't have any idea about Python programming language, you can still continue this course and enroll into this course. In this course, we will dig deeper into the concepts of Python entirely from the beginner level, and I will be telling you guys how to install the Visual Studio Code and Python, and after that we will take that to the last point where we will be learning about the functions and many more things like that. And this is kind of an interesting course, and that is going to be a huge fun course that we are going to take here. This course also consists of basically the curriculum is such. The thing is that in that we have been performing the 2 mini projects, and that are going to be really awesome, and if possible we will be taking the extra things as well as like the little small games and kind of interesting games as well. We will be creating using this same knowledge that we will be learning in Python. Now, using the knowledge that we have learned so far until the course, at the end of the course I will be telling you guys how to create your own first game using the Python. Now, that game can be multiplayer or single player, doesn't matter, but you can create the game after ending this course and after having the last lecture completed. And that is the kind of interesting thing that keeps you like a goal that you need to complete. Like if you want to create that game of your own, you need to complete this course, and after that you will be able to create the game based on the knowledge that you have learned so far. So that can be a great revision for you guys as well. That can make you guys like to study every concept again, and after that implement the whole knowledge in the creating of the game. So this is the reason why I have the game at the last of the course, because that will eventually make your all concepts clear and revise your all the knowledge of Python, eventually making you guys a kind of expert in the Python basics things. Now, this course do not consist of Python advanced topics, in which I will be talking about the object oriented programming and frameworks and libraries or many more things like that, and that is the advanced course that is going to come. But for now, just understand about the Python basics, because if you guys don't have any idea of Python basics, you cannot get the advanced knowledge also. So that is the reason why that course has been kept separate, because if we just packed all the knowledge in this, that can eventually be very long course. So first of all, you need to learn Python basics at a great level. After learning the Python basics, we really need to scale to the Python advanced level, in which we will be learning about object oriented programming, different frameworks out there. We will be creating advanced projects over there. We will be learning about web development in Python in the advanced course, I'm telling you guys, and many more things like that. So this is the advanced course, is quite of very interesting course. But before that, to get the advanced knowledge, you really need to ace at the beginner level knowledge, and that is the reason why we have kept this course, and that is the reason why you should enroll into the Python for beginners course. I will make and bet you guys that at the end of this course, entire concept or the entire curriculum that you have been seeing in this course, we have saw already the curriculum of this course, and just because of that, the entire each and every concept of that course will be cleared and that can be just literally, that will be fixed in your mind at the end of this course. I can guarantee you that, and that is the reason why the whole Python for beginners course is created. The entire perspective of making this course is that you guys don't know anything, and that is the reason why, like, I have kept that perspective that the guy who is sitting before the screen is not aware of any other programming languages, or he is not even aware of coding field. So that is the perspective that I have been putting into this course, and I have been telling you guys from entire beginner level, like basics I have been clearing in a great level. Like I have explained different topics using different stories, different concepts, different real life situations, because if you become really able to relate real life theories or real life problems with the coding problems, you can literally ace at any language out there. And in this course I will be telling you guys about Visual Studio Code, because the entire course will be in the Visual Studio Code, which is a Python, like just kind of a app in which we will program the coding, or we will just write the code. That is the app for just now. Let's just keep it simple. So that is simply an application in Windows that can eventually help you to make programs or to write programs. So the entire course has been designed in Visual Studio Code. That app is used in industry levels as well, that can, and over the course, entire course, I will be telling you guys about a bunch of shortcut keys, bunch of productivity hacks in the Visual Studio Code that can eventually increase your speed at coding as well, and the writing the programs as well. I will be telling you guys about the extensions, about the extra material that can eventually help you to increase your speed at coding and writing the code. So that is the reason why the entire course is designed on the Visual Studio Code, because it offers really impressive extensions and many more things like that. So yeah guys, that was pretty much it about the course introduction. And once again, my name is Patil, and the entire course for Python for beginners is designed for total beginners, or the people who do not know anything about coding field in general. So that is the reason why we have designed this course, and I wish you very good luck for learning the Python. And let us now get into this course to talk about the bunch of the things using the Python. So I'll catch you in the lectures. See you there.